Friends, today on Motor Mania, we're bringing you a car that isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving piece of art. This is the futuristic Rolls Royce luxury coupe, a machine that represents the perfect blend of style, innovation, and power. Watch this video till the end because every second reveals a new level of luxury you've probably never seen before. Let's start with the design. The moment you lay eyes on this car, you immediately realize it's not something ordinary. Its exterior is ultra-modern, yet it stays true to Rolls-Royce's timeless elegance. The two-tone paint job, deep burgundy and pearlescent white, is incredibly classy. Just looking at it gives you a sense of premium luxury. The body is so highly polished you can literally see your reflection in it. Now look at the grille. This is where the signature Rolls-Royce identity shines. The iconic illuminated vertical grille welcomes you, and right above it sits the Spirit of Ecstasy, now with a slightly futuristic design twist. The front bumper has an aerodynamic shape, and the headlights are pure masterpieces, ultra-sharp LED beams that turn night into day. The side profile is just as captivating. You'll notice flush-mounted door handles, chrome accent lines, and massive custom alloy wheels in matching burgundy. These design choices give the car the appearance of a luxury spaceship. Moving toward the rear, you see a beautifully sculpted back with slim wraparound LED taillights that blend perfectly into the bodywork. The dual exhausts and chrome rear diffuser add a sporty touch, but in a very refined way. Step inside, and you enter a world that feels like a private jet fused with a five-star hotel. The interior is a symphony of hand-stitched leather, polished wood, ambient LED lighting, and crystal-clear digital displays. Every surface feels luxurious to the touch. The seats aren't just comfortable, they're like lounge chairs, offering massaging, cooling, and heating features all in one. The doors open in signature suicide style, giving a grand entry and exit that you simply don't get in any regular car. The dashboard is a digital masterpiece. It features a fully customizable display that shows everything from navigation to performance stats, all in real time. There's also a retractable infotainment screen for rear passengers, and the cabin features an advanced sound system custom-tuned to deliver concert-level audio clarity. Whether you're cruising through the city or on the highway, this car creates a cocoon of peace and elegance around you. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. This coupe isn't just about looks, it packs serious performance. Powered by an advanced V12 engine paired with a mild hybrid system, it delivers a seamless blend of power and efficiency. The engine purrs quietly, as you'd expect from a Rolls Royce, but when you step on the pedal, you feel the surge of raw power that pushes this heavy luxury machine forward effortlessly. Despite its large size and luxury focus, the handling is surprisingly precise. It comes with adaptive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and AI-based driving dynamics that adjust the car's behavior based on road conditions and driving style. Whether you're in the mood for a calm, smooth cruise or a more spirited drive, this car adapts to you instantly. Technology is integrated not just for convenience, but to enhance the luxury experience. Facial recognition, voice control, and even gesture-based features are embedded into the system. The climate control uses smart sensors to adjust temperature and air quality automatically. Even the scent in the cabin can be customized with built-in fragrance cartridges. Safety-wise, Rolls-Royce has equipped this coupe with everything imaginable: 360-degree cameras, night vision, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and emergency braking, all functioning through a seamless AI-driven interface that keeps you and your passengers safe without being intrusive. This isn't just a car, it's an experience. Whether you're sitting behind the wheel or relaxing in the back seat, every moment feels like you're in a world of your own. The futuristic Rolls-Royce luxury coupe isn't just about going from one place to another, it's about how you feel on the journey. In the world of ultra-luxury vehicles, Rolls-Royce continues to set the bar higher, and this coupe proves that the future of automotive luxury is already here. With unmatched design, cutting-edge technology, and the comfort of a luxury suite, it's no wonder this car is being talked about across the globe. So if you ever get a chance to see one of these up close, or better yet, ride in one, consider yourself lucky. And if you're dreaming about owning one, you're definitely not alone. This car isn't just a status symbol, it's a work of art. Thanks for watching Motor Mania. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest in high-end vehicles and futuristic automotive design. Until next time, stay passionate, stay curious, and keep riding in style.